Welcome to the Smart Devil Tempered Glass Anti-Peeper unboxing. Purchasing this mainly because its name appealed to my sense of humour. Keep our secret. Anti-fingerprint, water oil repellent, surface hardness, anti-reflection. Smart Devil privacy screen, protector tempered glass anti-peeper. Well, privacy with in mind, this is new, although we can see it's for iPhone 7, iPhone last for iPhone 7-8. Okay, this will be tested on an iPhone SE. It has a 45 left and right anti-spy. How amusing. My current screen protector became damaged. Much like most glass screen protectors, eventually they give up. This box reminds me of a cassette box, much like we used to keep our tapes in. Quite nice. But what does $8.99 get you? Well, we can see we have a guide, fits around the phone, quite nice, quite solid. One-time use though, shame that. Tempered glass, user manual, screen protector accessories, certified, high definition. Okay, and warranty instructions. You gain 1 full year from purchase date. Well, since I leave my protectors on until they eventually give up, we'll see how long this lasts. Inside the envelope we have attention, white halo effect. 1 in 10,000 phones may have slightly bumped screen than others. It will lead to an unsticky edge of the screen protector. We call it the white halo effect. If you are one of those unique phone owners, you are covered. Oh, how good. I don't know if you can read that very much. I'll leave it there. If you want to pause and read the rest, you can. So, we have our screen protector auxiliary tools, wipes, both wet and dry, and a guide sticker. Fits nicely in there. And the main event itself. Our screen. Oh, wow. Nice design. If I turn it 45 degrees, it darkens the screen, much like a privacy screen for a laptop or monitor. The screen itself, quite nice. It's got a good solid plastic backing, nice black outer frame, which looks like it will go edge to edge. And I do enjoy this background. So, we shall find out how well this screen protector works. After I have fitted it and trialed it for a while, I'll leave a review. As ever, I hope you have enjoyed this random video, and should you want to get an anti-peeper, they are available on Amazon and probably eBay. Thank you for watching, take care, and see you on the next one.